What if you could understand what's wrong with your car before going to a mechanic and possibly save hundreds of dollars? Today, I'm reviewing the XIAUODO OBD2 Scanner car code reader, a simple plug-and-play diagnostic tool designed to help everyday car owners read and clear engine error codes in minutes. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know if this scanner deserves a spot in your glove box. Product features. The XIAUODO OBD2 Scanner is built for cars that support OBDII protocols from 1996 and newer, making it compatible with most US, European, and Asian vehicles. Here's what it can do in simple terms. Read and clear engine fault codes using a massive 30,000-plus error code database. Show real-time live data and graphical readings. Display freeze-frame data so you can see what was happening when the problem occurred. Check IM readiness, MIL status, and overall engine health. One standout feature is the real-time voltage test, which lets you monitor your car's electrical system, something you don't usually see on basic scanners. It also has a power indicator light and an upgraded chip, making scans faster and smoother. The bright color screen, 6 easy-to-use buttons, and dedicated shortcut keys make this scanner extremely beginner-friendly. You literally plug it in, turn the key, and start diagnosing. No app, no Bluetooth, no confusion. Pros and cons. A major pros. Very easy to use, even for beginners. Reads and clears engine codes quickly. Real-time voltage testing is a big bonus. Strong build with a long, flexible cable. Supports 10 languages. No batteries needed, it powers directly from the car. A major cons. Does not support motorcycles, heavy-duty trucks, or mini-trucks. Japanese cars must be 2005 or newer. If a problem isn't fixed, some codes may come back and require a dealership computer to clear. Being honest about these limitations helps you know exactly what you're buying. Overall review. Overall, the XIAUODO OBD2 Scanner is a solid value tool for beginners, DIY car owners, and even small repair shops. If you want a simple, reliable way to understand engine problems, avoid unnecessary repair bills, and stay in control of your car's health, this scanner gets the job done. It's especially great for people who want peace of mind without paying dealership diagnostic fees. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more smart car care tips, and check the product link in the description for the best price on the XIAUODO OBD2 Scanner. Thanks for watching, and remember, a smarter driver is a wealthier driver.